Next na kakainan guys is itong sa Subway. Tara, order tayo dito guys. Hanap tayo ng seat. Menu guys. Kita ba? Cucumber. Tapos lettuce at saka onion.
Chef Hotel Southwest.
Apa.
Please. Sweet onion brand.
Sweet onion, ma'am.
Sige,
Sige
sweet
ba?
onion, please.
Apa. So guys, tikman na natin guys. Ito. Steak and cheese.
Alang.
Yan. Dito sa Subway yan. Mainit pa. Tara, tikman natin. Sarap siya guys. Good na good siya guys.